Hey everyone, welcome back to TechPP. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Zerodha Kite trading account to Claude AI using the new MCP protocol. This setup lets you analyze your stock portfolio in real time with the power of AI right on your desktop. Before we jump in, here's what you need: an active Zerodha Kite trading account, the Claude Desktop App installed on your Windows or Mac device, Node.js installed on your computer. First, head over to the Claude website at claude.ai/download and download the Claude Desktop app for your device. Install it just like any other software. Open the app and sign in with your account. If you are new to Claude, you can create an account. Next, you need Node.js. Go to nodejs.org and download the latest version for your system depending on your OS. Run the installer, and once it's done, open your command prompt and type node-version. If it shows a version number, you're good to go. Now, open the Claude Desktop app. Go to Settings, then find the Developer section and click on Edit Config. This opens a file called Claude Desktop Config.json. Copy and paste this code exactly as it is. Now, save the file and restart the Claude app. Now, in the Claude app, start a new chat and just type something like, "Analyze my portfolio." Claude will prompt you to log in, click the login link, and sign in with your Zerodha Kite credentials. Make sure to allow all necessary permissions. Once connected, you can ask Claude questions like, "Show my current holdings or which stock performed best this month. Analyze my sector-wise distribution," and more. That's it. You've successfully connected your Zerodha account to Claude AI using MCP. If you have any issues or questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. And if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who trade or invest in stocks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.